What is the most beautiful sound? It's hard to tell. It's hard to say. We know that scientifically there are sounds that are a certain wavelength that make us feel good. The sound of water is one of those sounds that seems to be soothing to everyone, be it on a beach or rainfall and the distant thunder. I've been in the woods when it was so quiet you could hear the trees grow. And you could hear a deer as it stepped on a twig and it broke. I remember the first time my daughter, after just being born, in my arms gurgled. I remember passing schools and hearing children at play and their laughter. I remember the sigh of my wife as she slept. I've also seen and heard a ton of steel lighting up the tires and putting that smell of burned rubber in the air as it raced down that drag strip. And that was a beautiful sound. And the cheers when somebody won. The one thing that I can put together with all of that is the sound of nature, the sound of life, the sound of balance and interaction between all that is, all that was, and us. The sound of nature and the sound of life, I believe, for me, is the most beautiful sound. Until next time, as always, this is Zen, saying you be well.